Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to apply to UWUMarket as a VTuber merch creator. So let's begin. First, go to the official website uwumarket.us, and if you're not familiar with this is actually a website where they provide merches to creators or VTubers, mostly indies. They provide keychains, plushies, pillows, and other merchandises. So just go scroll down and you'll see work with us. So click on apply, and these are some of the merches you can expect once you have been approved. So you can click on apply now. Just need to provide all of the necessary information, and if they, for example, your URL, email, which is the most important, and your Twitch follower accounts, your social media accounts. Just make sure to click submit. And basically, they will contact you if they think you're a good fit to their company. So just wait for the customer service or the creator to actually reach out to you through your email. So that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.